Welcome to my new video. Today, I'll show you how to create a Google Meet meeting quickly and easily. First, open the Google Meet app on your phone or go to the Google Meet website on your computer. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Once you're in, click on New Meeting. You'll see options to start an instant meeting, schedule one using Google Calendar, or get a meeting link to share with others. If you're starting instantly, just tap Start Meeting and a virtual room will open. You'll get a unique meeting link at the top. Share this link with the people you want to invite. That's it. You successfully created a Google Meet meeting. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.